Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the weekly 13 Market Moves trading contest.
This is the main event of the evening.
Every week, we bring traders from all over the world that are trying to utilize 13 Markets Move formula in order to beat the markets in day trading and swing trading and take their trading accounts to the moon. And in this week's trading competitions, we got a bodybuilder, we've got a priest, and we got the ghetto investor, all competing for a chance to win the all-famous 13 Market Move Formula course, or one of the courses they have not yet taken to complete our trading program and ultimately advance to the High Rollers Trading Club. Pay close attention because you could be the one winning this contest next week. And the way we're going to decide who is actually going to win this contest, guys, I need you to participate. Simply type in the comments who you're voting for this week, which one is your favorite trade. Enjoy the show. Trading time. And now, make some noise for contestant number one, Mr. Hamid, Mr. Universe Bodybuilder. Damn, this dude is cut up, he is in shape, and he is an awesome trader. Check out his video, guys. Dang, this dude is good.
You have to take the Leo's divergent courses, chart recognition pattern to show you that this actually works if you know what you're doing and you're patient. This is the trades I took this week starting the 23rd, as you can see right here, 23rd down, and I took $500 or $595 to $7,000 in just 3 trading days. We just using the 13 Market Move formula. So this is the account right here, TD Ameritrade, as you can see, real life right here, TD Ameritrade, balance history, you can see right here, and then it just show you, you see, it just show you. So Monday the 23rd, I started with $595. Then Tuesday the 24th, $1987. Then Wednesday, $3,461. And then by Thursday, $7,692. So just in 3 trading days, I took $500 to $7,000 and change. Now Friday I get back around $2,000 and change because I ignored the divergence signal that the market was giving me to short the top on Thursday by the close. I ignored it because I saw the market going on so high, and I said, no, this is a bull, I'm not gonna short. And then boom, I didn't get out of my long and I didn't short it, and then I gave back money, but that's okay. I mean, I could recoup this week, but what I'm saying is with $500, which is a little bit of money, you got not a lot of room to do. You got not a lot of room for error. No much you could do or buy. And then I turned that into $7,000 within just a few trading days. I mean, you can see right here. I mean, this is the trades I took. I got Baidu, which is the first, and then Jetty. Then from them, Bello was a big winner. I was buying $81, 81 cent, 55 cent. Baidu at 160. Jetty, I bought it at 5 cents. 5 cents, that's $5. And I was selling that. What was it? Let me see. I was selling that for like a 90 cents to $1. So $90, $5 to $90. I mean, that's ridiculous. I was selling the Bello that I was buying for 85 and 55 cents. I mean, I was selling that, you can see right here, for 440. For 440. I mean, that's crazy. I was buying Zig, which is like a kind of like a penny stock, for like 50 cents, 70 cents, and I was selling that for like $2.70. $3 and change. And you can see right here. So the 13 Market Move formula actually works, but you gotta be patient and you gotta know what you're doing.
Wow, that was absolutely amazing. Contestant number one, Hamid the bodybuilder. If you want to vote for Hamid, type in the comments that you want Hamid to win the contest. And now let me introduce you to contestant number two, the ghetto investor. Man, this dude don't play around. He tells you like it is. Guys, this is a superstar in the making right here. Check out Ghetto Investor.
I'm gonna show you screenshots. My account was like this, up and down, until it do what it do. Yo, shout out to Leo. Shout out to Leo. You know? Because we damn sure identified that bottom. That move 13 came. We identified that bottom. And we identified the top. Ghetto.
See, when you get to looking at these charts, right? When you get to looking at these charts, you start to notice if you trading daily, early in the morning, when the market open to 10 o'clock, it's going to make either a move or a V move. A, if it go up, come back down, and then move sideways. V, go down, pop back up, and move sideways. Controlling your course of options. If something is going down in a parabolic move, 9 times out of 10 it's going to bounce. And the way the market been coming down, straight down for days, we should have a nice bounce. Okay, so you prepare for it. You getting your calls cheap early. When I say controlling your course, that means that if something doesn't go in your favor, because you're not going to get every trade right? You will lose light. You're going to lose light. You're not going to lose heavy, because you're not going to put that much money up. You understand what I'm telling you? You're going to be getting in cheap. When everybody else is a bull, you be a bear. When everybody else is a bear, you become a bull. Why? Because the price of options is cheap. Ain't nobody else buying puts but you, me. Ain't nobody else buying calls but you, me. So it's cheap. Now it makes it easy for you with risk management, where you could put $100 and make 1,000, or 1,000 and make 10,000, or 10,000 and make 100,000. It's better to put up less money and take from the house, you know. Like, I give myself an income, like a $2,000 income every month. I take from the market. It's better to take from the market. So when you put a lot up, you risking a lot. So when things turn on you, you got to hurry up and rush to the door. It becomes an emotional roller coaster when you don't know what you're doing and don't calculate your moves. See, at the end of the day, I closed down, but I'm still up. This was all off of $280 from last week. You know, so it's all on how you playing. You could take little bits of money, little baby bits of money, and turn it into big money. It's all on what you need, what you getting from it, and how you investing. Ghetto. Only thing is with trading is you got to understand that your goals could be done. You don't trade every day, because every day the conditions ain't the same. Trading is about math and probability. So you got to take your time. You got to understand what you're looking at. And you got to know what to look for. Because trust me, this market will test your patience. The market don't owe nobody nothing. So you have to have a strategy. You got to know what you're doing. Shout out to Leo. Shout out to the guys, man. Shout out to 13 Market Moves, man. See, the market don't have too many moves it can do. It only could do a certain amount of moves. And when you start to notice that from looking at it so long, I've been looking at it for 6.5 years strong. So it's like, damn. It do the same thing. Like, you see how that move 11 up there is forming? It's not like it could do a whole spin cycle and come back the other way. You understand what I'm saying? It can either do a A drop, it can do a V drop, it can, you know, double top, it can a double bottom. It's only a certain amount of moves it can do. So once you start to understand more, you start to sit back, relax, and when everybody else is being bull, you be a bear. You got to learn how to change in minutes, from bear to bull, bull to bear in minutes. That's how you start winning. You know, start to look back in history, knowing what you look for in charts. Why do we look at charts? We look at charts to look at the past, to find out what's going on, to see what type of moves a particular stock could do. Yeah, by the way, this is a 2008 chart. As you can see, history repeating itself. Yeah, so get hype. Hey, man, ghetto, man. I just want everybody to know out there, man. Let's go out here, man. Let's do it. Get hype. Let's go. Yeah, you know, March 11th, and we sitting here, you know, making the nun get naked. We doing the things we like to do. Now, let me tell you this, right? Y'all see that 25 into 300, that 1,000%? You see that, right? Yeah. So you could do it off of $25. You don't need $1 million. Little bits of money could turn into big money. If you got a formula. If you got a formula. If you got a formula. I mean, let me repeat that again. If you got a formula, because all that bullish activity that happened yesterday on the 10th before market close, I don't know why everybody ran the calls. It didn't make any sense. For what? Yo, man. 13, man. 13, man. 13, man.
Wow, some powerful trades. If you want to vote for Ghetto Investor to win the contest, make sure you type in the comments, the Ghetto Investor. And now we're moving to contestant number 3, Mike Pope, the priest himself, all the way from Rome. I don't know. It sounded good. I don't know if Mike Pope is a priest, but considering it's a happy Easter, Mike, no offense, I just thought it sounded good. Mike Pope.
My name is Mike Pope. I'm a 13 Market Moves VIP and Alert subscriber. I'm also subscribed to the Charts and Pattern Recognitions course. Today I would like to explain how I turned $1,760 into $9,050 in one BKNG swing trade. Okay, let's dive in. Alright, Friday, April 3rd, I noticed, had been watching BKNG. I noticed that kind of at the end of the day it was going down, and it kind of bottomed out probably around 12:10, somewhere along in there. And I noticed that it started to pick up some steam and move up. I was watching the accumulation distribution, and I noticed that investors were buying in at the end of the day on Friday. So I decided to kind of continue watch it on Monday. As it opened up, it gapped up Monday, and I noticed that it was started to move up kind of, you know, I'm guessing an hour and a half into the trading session. And it started to, once it crossed over resistance, I went on ahead and drew my resistance line, my support resistance line, and noticed that it was going up. It was moving higher and trending higher, and then kind of lost a little steam here. And I also noticed that, you know, at the beginning of the day that the RSI and the open market had some strong buying pressure. So this is why I was watching it throughout the day. And I noticed that also the MACD had crossed over Friday, and it was moving up, and it trended higher as we opened up on Monday. Okay, so. And then as I was watching it, I draw my second. Once it hit support here, and I kind of knew it wasn't going that much higher, I went on ahead and drew another support resistance line at the top. And as it was going up and down, kind of trading in a tunnel here, I pulled the trigger on the RSI pullback. As you can see right here at the bottom of the first support level, I bought 114.20 call here at 13.20 for $17.60 on Monday after the dip, and that was after I got the 13 market moves alert. So, and also if you notice here, you can see is this the 50-day moving average is hooking up. So, and you know, it's pretty much it's changing reverse. It's reversing trends in the upward position. So I took the trade here. I bought it here, and as the day went on, at the end of the day, I saw the body was over resistance and now a support. And since we didn't get a black candle, I held it overnight, and I kind of had a good intuition since I got the hook that it was going up at the next day. So I held for a swing trade. Okay, and right at the market open, I sold it for $90.50. Probably around $14.45. I saw the order entry Tuesday the 7th for about $7,290 in profit. Okay, so that's what I got here. And as you can see, if you go to my account here, this shows you where I actually ordered on the 6th at 1420 strike call, and I exited it here April the 7th at 1420 strike call, and you can see here I entered it here at 1760, and then right here I sold it for $9,049, which is roughly, $9,050. This is not a paper trading account. This is a real account. As you can see right here, I kind of took the screenshot after it out, the adjustments has been made to the account. So here's the 1420 call here, as you can see, and here's all of the trade details. So just pretty much, guys, I work a full-time job, but thanks to the Trading Options Live, I went from losing about $6,000 last year with other trading subscriptions, and just starting with $2,000 2 months ago, guys, I made $26,000 in profits with the 13 Market Moves VIP subscriptions and alerts in 2 months, guys. So if I'm working full time and navigating a job and trading, it's completely changed my life. Anybody can do this. And guys, trade fearlessly, and I'll talk to you very, very soon. And thank you, 13 Market Moves, for the sharing your information and a wealth of knowledge. Bye-bye.
Amazing breakdown of the trade by the priest. And now it is time for you to cast your vote. Who is going to be the winner this week? Make sure you take this moment to type in the comments. Who are you voting for? Is it going to be Hamid, the bodybuilder, or the priest, or the ghetto investor? I wish all of you luck. Now, with that said, guys, pay close attention, because you could be the one winning this contest next week. This is all it takes, guys. You don't have to be currently a paying member with the 13 Markets Move services. You could simply be one of the guys following our free content that we post here on the YouTube channel. Now, as you know, some of our free content followers have made as much as $200,000 over the course of the last 12 months, following some of the videos that we have been placing here at no extra charge. You also qualify to enter the contest if you have only completed a part of the 13 Markets Move 4 core courses. So maybe you've taken the charts diversion, but you have not taken Trade Like a Rockstar. Maybe you have not taken the 13 Markets Move course. Maybe you haven't taken the Trading Secrets, guys. This is your chance to do so. So without any further ado, let's roll. This is how you can get this done. Simply submit your trade described in a short video. You can click the link below this video to get this done right now, where you will win one of the courses most traders will actually kill for. Valued anywhere from $600 up to $4,000, powered by 13 Market Moves. Let's roll. Oh boy, what we got going on here? Look at this. Monica is waiting for you to enter the 13 Market Moves content, guys. Say hi to Monica. Submit your answers and video link, and win, win, win. So here's what you got to describe. You got to enter the ticker, the strike price of the trade you've taken. Why did you take the trade? Did you see a certain move, like a move 2 or a move 4, some diversion? Basically explain your idea and reasoning for why you took the trade. How long did you stay in the trade? Were you in the trade for 20 minutes, 2 days? Did you keep it overnight? That sort of thing. Did you day trade or swing trade. How much invested versus net gain. So this actually is the coolest thing ever, guys, because it doesn't matter whether you count it at $100, $200, or whether it is at 2 million, okay? We measure your trades based off the percentage gain, so anybody can literally enter. Link to the video recorded of the trade you've taken. So for faster process, please use YouTube, and when you upload it, just click the unlisted unless you want the entire world to see your trade, which is totally fine. Put your name, email address, review, and click enter the contest, guys. It's that simple. To get more info about our trading services or to watch live trading videos, simply click the link below this video or visit 13marketmoves.com. I'll see you guys on the next trade soon. Let's trade.